this, I leave the program open to Mr. Jagdish Joshi to go ahead.
Friends, the Foundation Day celebration last year and even this year is only possible with wholehearted support of Sri Naveen Chandra Majithia. Sri Majithia is our life member and his name is connected to various charitable charities in the city of Mumbai. Wherever there is a need, wherever there is a knowledge, a requirement of knowledge, wherever there is somebody in dire need of medical treatment, of whatever, Majithia Trust Foundation is standing there without any expectation, very silently, and such a big, wholehearted donor is there within us. Whenever we call him that there is, we are going to have this Foundation Day, and he says that Foundation Day celebration must be there, and I am there with you. Whatever expenses are there, I will meet with it, but that must be there. And members should come on that day, and they should have a nice evening together. Thank you, Sri Majithia ji. We will have 2 words from you today. તમને બેસો આપું માઈક. નહીં.
Mr. President Ajgaonkar, Kaushik Oza, dignitaries on the stage, committee members, I'm very much obliged for you people giving me an opportunity to meet you, all my friends in the library. Though I am since 1970, there are a lot of changes in the library goes on daily, day by day. Last year the space was more. This year the space seems to be reduced now. And I'm told that because of some mega hold and therefore the trains are not working properly and the members could not attend. Now, Mr. Ajgaonkar, first thing is the need of our project is a lift. I'm told that if the terrace is very fine, but unfortunately I could not go there. So if you provide a lift, I am behind you, and whatever the cost comes, minimum 5 lakhs rupees will be paid by me for the lift. So that senior citizens and others can go to the terrace. We can have the function on the terrace. I'm told the terrace is very nice, and senior citizens can sit there and enjoy the evening time. Now, थोड़ी बात हम हिंदी में भी कर ले आप लोग के साथ. थोड़े दिन पहले मुझे इनवाइट किया था कि गांधी जयंती के दिन आप गांधी जी के बारे में कुछ बताइए. मुझे थोड़ा अचरज तो हुआ कि ये ज़माने में गांधी जी के बारे में क्या बता सकते हैं. बिफोर 2nd October, 8 days before that, गांधी जी मेरे सपने में आए. बोलता है भाई मेरी छवि के पीछे बहुत कचरा पड़ा है, 1 साल हो गया, कोई सफाई तो करते नहीं है, और तुम्हारा नरेंद्र बोलता है सफाई करो सफाई करो. अभी छिपकली ने पीछे घर बांधा है मेरा फ़ोटो के पीछे, बाहर निकलते हैं शिकार करके फिर छुप जाती है. अब ये मैं तो थक गया हूँ, कब सफाई करोगे. मुझे बोलना पड़ा कि बापू राह देखो, 2 अक्टूबर आएगा, आपो आप आपका फ़ोटो की सफाई हो जाएगी, उसके पहले तो होने वाली नहीं है. और उस दिन आपको नया हार भी पहनाएंगे, फ़ोटो भी साफ़ करेंगे, बाद में फिर 1 साल आप सहन कर लेना, क्योंकि 1 साल के पहले तो कुछ हो नहीं सकता है. ये हमारी मनोदशा है. मुझे माफ़ करना, मैं थोड़ा जुडिशरी के बारे में अगर बोलूँ तो मेरा एक मित्र था, वो जजमेंट लिखाने के बाद मैं उनसे मिला कि अल्लाह तू जब स्टेज पर गए, गांधी जी को हाथ जोड़ा, पैर पकड़ा, स्टेज पर नमन किया, और बाद में जब तुम लिखा रहे थे जजमेंट तो मुझे बहुत आश्चर्य हुआ कि आप क्या कर रहे हो। एकदम टोटली अन्यायपूर्वक जजमेंट लिखा रहा था। मैंने बोला इसमें क्यों ऐसा किया? बोला देखो मेरे सामने बैग लेके खड़ा है, अब मुझे उनको भी तो न्याय करना है ना। जब बैग मेरे पास नहीं आएगी तब तक तो मुझे वो लिखाना ही पड़ेगा। तो बोले तो गांधी जी का हाथ जोड़ा? बोले हाँ मैंने हाथ जोड़ा था, मैं गांधी जी को बोला था कि आप आँख बंद कर जाना और मैं पीछे मुड़ के नहीं देखूँगा, मैं लिखाते जाऊँगा। और अन्यायपूर्वक पूरा लेग उसने जजमेंट लिखाया। मैंने बोला बाद में तुम निकला तभी भी तूने हाथ जोड़ा था? हाँ। तब मैंने बोला था कि बापू आप तो वो तो भला आदमी है, आपने मुझे माफ़ कर दिया होगा और आप करते रहना, मैं अपना काम करता रहूँ। बापू जी की आज ये हालत है हमारा देश में। न्यायतंत्र को बहुत मजबूत करने की ज़रूरत है हमें। इसलिए मेरा एक सूचन है कि एक ऐसा टावर में, मेरा सपना भी है मेरा एक, कि मैं एक ऐसा टावर बनाऊँ कि जहाँ पर पार्लियामेंट से एक रिजोल्यूशन आवे कि नो कोर्ट कैन एंटरटेन एनी केसेस अनलेस इट पास थ्रू आर्बिट्रेशन। अगर जो कोई भी केस आर्बिट्रेशन में गया और जब तक उसमें कोई लीगल पॉइंट नहीं आता है तब तक केसेस का ढेर सारा अपनी कोर्टों में जमा नहीं होना चाहिए। अब मुझे ये भी किसी ने बोला कि आर्बिट्रेशन आज की दृष्टि में जो होता है वो लाखों न करोड़ों का खर्चा वाला है। अगर पार्लियामेंट बोले कि भाई सिर्फ 1500 रुपया खर्च के आर्बिट्रेशन करने का, ज़्यादा खर्चा नहीं करने का, तो मैं आप लोग की राय मांगूंगा कि क्या इस प्रकार का आर्बिट्रेशन से आर वी गोइंग टू रिजॉल्व द लिटिगेशंस एंड रिड्यूस द लिटिगेशंस इन द कोर्ट्स? इफ द लिटिगेशंस आर रिड्यूस, आई थिंक द पीपल कैन बी मोर ऑनेस्ट, because of lengthy litigations the people think that we must file the case and wait for years and years. This is my experience since 1960 and I'm seeing it that no justice has been coming to the litigants. दूसरा मेरा एक ड्रीम था कि कॉरपोरेशन के अंदर आज जो जहाँ जाओ ત્યાં किसी को परवाह नहीं है पब्लिक की। दे आर फाइटिंग फॉर देयर पार्टी पॉलिटिक्स। सो आई बिलीव दैट इन कॉरपोरेशन देयर शुड नॉट बी पार्टी पॉलिटिक्स, बिकॉज एवरी कॉरपोरेशन शुड बी they should have one slogan only, that it's a civil body made for the public and no party politics to be discussed in the committee of the corporation. If this comes as a people's movement, I think the corporation can do better services to the public than today, what they are fighting for seats, fighting for their politics, and they don't do anything for the public. Now, these things are required from our librarian friends to take up the matters, because I am very old, I may not do anything, but I believe that these things can be done by you youngers and see that the nation can be prevented from this. Now, we have to change the definition of alphabets today. Now students are taught A for apple, B for so-and-so, C for so-and-so. Now in my opinion, A is for attack, B for BP, C for cholesterol, D for diabetes. If you don't allow these people to enter your body, then E for enjoyment. And if you allow them, then E for end. No further alphabets is required to be taught. I hope, friends, you are younger and you should take up certain things for the nations. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Naveen Bhai. The person, very simple, in a very simple way, he expressed his feelings towards the present situation. And we appreciate, as a library member, we are a little selfish, and we always appreciate whenever he comes, he himself goes around and he picks up the need of the library. What is the need? Now today, if you see, it was not in mind of anybody. He just went around and he could not go up. Only the reason because he could not go up, and he thought that like me, there are so many members who wants to come to library, but they are unable to use library because they are unable to go for first floor and read papers, newspapers, go to second floor, go to terrace and other things. So he thought, and he has expressed, and he has promised to library 5 lakhs rupees without any offer, without any request. I think this type of gesture needs a standing ovation to Sri Naveen Chandra Majithia. Thank you, Naveen Bhai. We will see that your this wish fulfilled as early as possible. Now, we have with us Shiham Devon, our special guest of honor, ambassador of Israel to Netherlands. I request Mr. Devon to share his experience with the world with us today. Thank you very much, sir.
Mr. President, Chief Guest, Guest Speaker, Mr. Secretary, committee members, dear friends, shalom to everyone. What a pleasure and an honor to be here. And maybe many of you asking yourself, why actually I'm here? Well, as the Secretary mentioned before, once a Bombay Wala, always a Bombay Wala. And 30 years ago, as a very young diplomat, 38 years ago, after joining the Israeli Foreign Service, my first assignment, Linda, my wife, and myself, first ever assignment to understand what is diplomacy all about, what diplomats supposed to do or not to do, was here in Bombay then, Mumbai today. And it was such a very special experience that we do not miss any opportunity to revisit this lovely country, this very special city, our very special friends, Shobha and Anil, which are here today. And I'm thinking, what is the theme that the President has asked me to mention? And this is the very special connection between the Jewish people, the Jewish community, and the community around it that they were living in. And since Bombay, I traveled and worked in 4 continents. 4 continents. Not only in Asia, but also in Africa, twice in North America, and today in Europe. To learn more about the very difficult days Jewish communities experienced in the past. We cannot forget, for example, the Holocaust. But if there's one place that Jewish community never experienced anti-Semitism or persecution, was here in India, here in Bombay. And it tells so much about you and about your ancestors. And there are no words to thank you as a person, as one of the representatives of the State of Israel, also speaking many times on behalf of the Jewish community, to thank you for that. And David Sassoon was one of those leaders, not only community leaders, but business leaders who wanted to give back to the community, who wanted to express his gratitude to help the place develop, not just from the business point of view, but as a center of knowledge, because all of us know today that without knowledge, there's no growth. No society can sustain itself without a very strong, well-educated leaders in all fields. And when I've learned before from the president how many of your leaders in different walks of life went through this library, I said, wow, David Sassoon paid back and expressed his appreciation in a very big way. So the fact that you are trying to keep the flame, and not only to maintain the place but keep it growing, it's a testimony for your understanding that education and knowledge is the most important thing. But let's also don't forget that it also reflects the very special relation between the Jewish people and today the State of Israel with India and with the city of Mumbai in particular. So let me thank you again for inviting me to a very meaningful and moving ceremony, which I really so pleased to take part in, and wishing you all the best. And not just an elevator, not just an elevator. Don't be so modest. Think of other projects as well. And we see what we can do to assist you with connecting you to Jewish organizations which should hear more about this gem at the center of this great city that inspires so many young students and professionals who are working on the second floor. Thank you very much. Namaste, and God bless you. Bye-bye.
For your very enlightening speech and your experience for place of knowledge. I know you are all waiting to hear Sri Anil Harish, a keynote speaker and our guest of honor today. Mr. Anil Harish's name do not need any introduction, is well known in the field of elite and literate people. We are proud that you will be delivering a second David Sassoon Memorial Lecture this evening to us. Mr. Anil Harish will be delivering a lecture on the real estate, past, present, and future. It means kal, aaj, or kal. In real estate words, if I say carpet area, built up area, and super built up area. Mr. Anil Harish is an experienced and very knowledgeable person, will inform you many things today. I request Mr. Kaushik Oza to come and give a brief introduction of Sri Anil Harish.
Very good evening to one and all. Before I give my brief introduction about my friend Anil, I would like to recognize few people in this audience. One is Mr. Sudhir Shah, leading solicitor, visa expert. My friends Sandrine Restilo and Mr. Kevin from Bloomberg TV. Mr. Indravadan Joshi, the solicitor and one of our old member of this library. Nadia and Anastasia from Russia, two musicians, my friend Kishan Murjani and Mr. Ramesh Kothari and Mrs. Ramesh Kothari is my student and a leading diamond merchant. Okay, friends, it is a very easy thing to introduce your own friend, you know. Anil is my good friend. It is my proud privilege to introduce my friend Anil Harish, a man whose wisdom is fashioned from experience, candid yet cautious, firm yet decisive, very soft-spoken, who has always spoken and upheld the rightness and reasonableness of the cause. We were together in AAA, that is American Alumni Association. None other could be a better person to address this august gathering than my friend, Anil. I thank my managing committee and our president, Mr. Vivekanand Ajgaonkar, for agreeing to my proposal of inviting Mr. Anil Harish to deliver second David Sassoon Memorial Lecture. I'm sure today's lecture will rejuvenate and recharge our batteries. In the present time and circumstances where the market is volatile, his talk will give us impetus to take the right decision for better tomorrow. Thank you very much. I request my friend Anil to give a talk.